What do I look for in a suburb? I'm very pragmatic, okay? So for me, it's all about getting the result. So for me, it all comes down to the research and the numbers. So research, what does research mean? It means I'm looking at the zoning of that particular suburb, looking at what's actually coming. The question is, why is a suburb going to grow? Logically speaking, why would it grow? It'll grow because of things like population growth, because of supply and demand, because of government projects, of government spending in a particular area. These are the things I look for. Also demographics, if I'm going to rent my property out, what type of quality tenant am I going to get? What type of demographic is predominantly in that suburb, which will lead me to change my purchasing decisions. For example, if I'm buying in a city, it's probably more apartment living that people prefer. The younger generation that will pay a little bit more to live closer to CBD. If it's somewhere 50 or 30 kilometers away from CBD, then maybe it's a family-orientated suburb. So therefore, a house may be more appropriate. It's understanding what type of property will fit what type of suburb and how do you attract the best type of tenant for that suburb are the things I kind of look at. So all of my decision revolves around these things. And by doing that, you put yourself in a really good position to know what type of property is going to get you the result that you want.